Hey everyone, this is Nick with Us versus Herd. I think today was a very good day to talk about patience and investing. A lot of times we want to make quick money, we want to get paid quick, we want to flip things quick, but a lot of times the market doesn't always agree with what we want to do, or the market's goals are entirely different from what we want to do, and sometimes things just happen. And two particular trades that I want to point out here, I had Google and I had Chipotle trades on, and I'll go to their charts. Google's charting for this is going into the last week of the year. Google's been on a tear, but in the last week of the year, I put a position on, and it went from 1085 all the way down to 1052. And during that, I had some options expiring right before the end of the year, and so I decided to roll those. I took a $300 loss up front, but I rolled those, and because I still believe in the trade, I just thought that was a bit oversold. People were taking some profits for the end of the year, getting some capital gains tax and all that. But I just thought that I would roll it and try to get my money back on that. And what happened was, on that trade, I had a short put spread. It had to be above 1072.50, and with 2 days to go to expiration, I was down the day before. Today I was down I was on Friday. Today's Tuesday or Wednesday. I was down $600 in the position. I actually closed it out for a $480 gain. I had over a $1,000 profit day here. This was a profit on the day, but I closed out Google. It says it's zero now because it cashed out. But I went from a $600 loser to a $480 winner. But because I lost $300 before that, I only made $180. But I got all my money back that I lost, and then I made $180 on top of that. And that just took some patience and letting me be right and letting the market kind of work itself out. As you can see here, we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Google won 8 red days in a row, and if you trade Google, you know that's very, very unlikely. And the other thing that you can see here in the first of the year, we went down from the low of 1052, and today it closed out at 1091, which is incredible. The first 2 days of 2018 have just been ripping people's face off. All those people that were shorting. You know, it's not good. Always move with the momentum, never move against it. The other thing that I was working on recovering from was Chipotle. So I had Chipotle, a short spread on Chipotle a little bit over a week ago. It had to be above 315 because it looked like it was consolidating nicely. It looked like it was going to move higher, probably about to 320, 330. However, there was a report that came out. Who knows if it was true or false? Somebody got sick and went from 315. So I had a profitable trade down to a full loser. So then it went from 315 all the way down to sub 300 and went all the way down to, I think, 290, 286 at some point. But I just held on. I didn't have it expiring that week, so I just held on. I was already at max loss, and I just wanted the market to work itself out. So that one was a $350 loser, which was max loss. And as you can see today, it went last 2 days. It went from 288, and it closed today at 309. Today it had a 6%, almost a 6% gaining day. It touched almost 315 again. It went to 312, and my trade on Chipotle, I had the 300 puts. They expire in 2 days, and I thought for sure that it wasn't going to work out, but I just had patience work itself out, let the market work itself out, try to move with the momentum. I knew that it wasn't wrong. I just didn't know if I had the timing right, and because I trusted the timing, I moved with the momentum. We had these huge days. If you trade Chipotle, you definitely know that after large drops or huge rips, it'll consolidate for a while, and then it'll either rip up or rip down. You can pick what side you want to do. Chipotle's been a pretty good one this last year based on all the news for going up and down. So it's been successful trades on both sides, whether you believe in it or not. It's been lucrative for people that are bears and people that are bullish on that. So I just wanted to show you, patience. You may get discouraged about that trade. You may be discouraged that you lost some money, but you can always recover the funds. You can always work a way to balance things out. You could buy something else to balance it out. It's just you can manipulate your portfolio the way that you want it, the way that you can adjust risk, and the way that you can take credit in, the way that you can take profit. So, did I know that did I know Google was gonna go up that much? I didn't know that it would be up this much. I would say we got pretty lucky on that, but I would say after 8 red days on Google, it's gonna go up sooner or later. It's not like Google to go down for 30 days red in a row. I would say 3 days red is excessive, 4 days red is terrible, and then this was 8 red days, and we just held down because we were already at max loss. So then I rolled it. So if you're discouraged, you keep hitting losses, you're closing out the trades. Try to find another trade to balance it out or to recover that loss. If you don't believe in that stock anymore, don't keep trading it to try to recover. Don't try to just keep don't keep trying to trade that stock if you keep losing. Only trade stocks that you are comfortable with, that that you can earn on, and that you're consistent with. If you have any questions, leave them below. Comment. Appreciate all the love that we've been getting so far on the channel. It's been incredible. Thank you so much, and I'm thankful for all the new subscribers.